What up, YouTube? It's SRT Show, and we back with another video, man. Today I'm about to give y'all an early morning POV drive. It's 7:55, so we about to be cutting up in the morning on a Sunday. No cap. It's low-key the best time to cut up because don't nobody be on the fucking roads, as y'all can tell. Ain't nobody on the fucking roads. Y'all the performance pages though. Activate them fucking pages real quick. I'm gonna roll down the back windows. Oh hell no, no I'm not. That shit sound weak. Alright. Damn, I got hella shit in my trunk. I'm not gonna lie, so much shit in my trunk, y'all don't even understand. Let me go sport mode today. I'm gonna stop being cheap. Ooh, shit. This bitch farting already. I'm not gonna lie, I was fucking with the donuts in the parking lot though. I gotta give y'all some POV donuts soon. I might give y'all some in this video. Let me vent. I'm gonna vent for y'all. Alright, there y'all go. Okay, we got 3 windows down, so let's start cutting up. Oh, I'm in too high of a gear. I'm tripping. Let me slow down. That sweet spot, 50 miles per hour. And then they just make that fucking noise, that fucking sexy ass noise. Fuck. That should be sexy as hell, no cap. It's downshift. Let's see if I can do it in first gear. Hold on, wait, I gotta get down a little bit more. And then, oh shit, what the fuck wrong with my tires? Fuck, my shit started making a noise. Like, what the fuck? These bitches should be warmed up. I've been burning rubber all night and all day, low key. I've been burning so much rubber, I'm not gonna lie, like in the last just like 3 hours. Doing hella donuts. I'm low key getting good though, I'm not gonna lie, like, I'm getting so much better. Like, the shit just like damn near natural now. And it's crazy cause I never even learned from nobody. Like, I just watch videos and shit. Like, I never had nobody in a cockpit with me teaching me that shit. But just give me like 1 more month of like consistent practice. I'm gonna get cold, I swear to God. Put that speedometer on. By the way, this is in Mexico. Shit, bro, I can do this shit all day, literally. Downshift, full throttle, boom, bro. That shit, oh my god. I'm not gonna lie, bro, I need to get some fucking windshield wiper fluid. That shit just kind of pissing me off, bro. That shit look ugly. Bro, I'm so glad they fixed these fucking roads, bro. Shit. Downshift. Bro, I got a headache, bro. I got a fucking hat on with this damn head mount, bro. This shit giving me a major headache, bro. What the fuck is that? Oh shit, he was looking at me. The fuck type of truck was that though? No cap. I'm not gonna lie, I want to do donuts in this intersection, but my shit ain't even set. Let me turn off the traction just in case we get some donut action in today. I gotta be ready, bro. All right, the traction is off. Yo, the traction is off. About to make this a lit ass video. Straight away. Oh my god. Damn, it's a fucking car coming. I'ma chill. Oh shit! Ooh, Brimbos. God damn, that's the hardest I didn't ever hit my fucking brakes. No cap. Is anybody coming behind me? I'm about to give y'all some donuts though. No cap. Give y'all some quick ass donuts. By the way, we are in fucking Mexico. No cap. This is Mexico. I'm over here upshifting and shit, bro. I'm about to blow my fucking motor out. I'm about to give you a little bit more donut. Just one more donut, one more donut, one more donut. We gotta go. Bro, I'm getting so much better. Shit is insane. I think I just fucked up my fucking wheel. No, this street just fucked up. Yeah, this street just fucked up. That's all it is. See, like, y'all see this shit? It's just the street. It is not my alignment. I hope y'all got a good view too. I'm not gonna lie. Hopefully my head mount not fucked up and shit, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give y'all some more donuts in this intersection. I just hit the fuck out my shit. Hold on, let me lower this just a little bit. I'm out like I'm going that way. What the fuck? Fucking alignment, bro. I gotta turn this bitch around. No cap. My fucking wrist about to fucking break from doing all these damn donuts and shit. I just pray my alignment not fucked up. I really hope my alignment not fucked up. But I don't really be doing donuts though, so I mean my shit should be fine. And damn, I should have just did that shit, but that motherfucker was like waiting there. I'm gonna give y'all some tunnel action though. I'm about to scare these motherfuckers. Above the tunnel. These motherfuckers above the tunnel and shit. No cap. Is there anybody else coming, bro? I'm about to just go straight. Fuck it. I'm about to go straight and we about to like... I'm about to like dip and shit. Like, it's time to go. I'm not gonna lie. It's time to go. Shit hot as fuck. I'm surprised my motor ain't exploded yet, bro. I keep forgetting this shit is in fucking manual mode and shit, bro. But how the fuck do I forget that shit? Slow that bit down. Is that a dinosaur? I swear to God, there's a dinosaur in their fucking front yard. Fucking dinosaur and shit. What the fuck? This bitch farting. On me, this bitch farting. I swear to God, this bitch farting. On me. Oh, this parking lot don't look that clean though, I'm not gonna lie. You know, we're gonna hit one and done. We're gonna hit one and done, bro. We're gonna hit one and done. I'm gonna do it to the right side this time too though. Put this shit in fucking first gear and Just ran over a pothole, but we out. Oh, I don't have my paddle shifters on. No wonder my shit not shifting. I'm like, why the fuck my shit not shifting? I'm not gonna lie, bro. We gotta go. We gotta go. We got to fucking go. Like we stole something. I'm not drifting right here because it's hella rocks, and I'm not trying to fuck my rims up. Bro, this fucking road is so shitty, bro. Like, this shit got me swerving and shit. Like, y'all see this shit? I'm not doing this, and it's not my alignment. Like, it's some fucking humps right there. I know y'all see that shit. Like fucking speed bumps and shit. Bro, sport mode, bro. I'm not gonna lie, I'm fucking with sport transmission. Sport transmission, bro. That shit is so legendary, no cap. Slow this bit down, slow this bit down, slow this bit down. Oh shit, oh fuck. All right, let me get out some more tunnel action. This low key it, though. I'm not gonna, I'm about to end the POV after this. I'm gonna just end it, like watch this. Ooh! All right, y'all, time to go.